How much work can I get done in 10 minutes? Well, I can make my bed and tidy up my bedroom. Let's get it started. done. Now, here's the thing. I got my bed made. I got all that scrapbooking stuff that I had out last night picked up, got it put in the bag, and got it taken back into my craft room. And I got my dresser tops and tabletops dusted, trash picked up, and then I vacuumed right here in front of the bed, which is where a lot of the little paper debris was when I was working with my scrapbooking stuff last night. So I got quite a bit done in 10 minutes. So as my friend Joe from Minimal Zebra says, 10 minutes better. And it's definitely better in 10 minutes. Joe does a weekly collab of 10 minutes better. I will link her channel in this description box below so that you can check her out. But thank you for joining me for this episode of 10 minutes better with Joe from Minimal Zebra. Now here's the thing, homemakers. Sometimes you may think I don't have a lot of time. I only have 10 minutes. But as you saw, I got quite a bit done in 10 minutes. And now I was moving because I was conscious of the fact that I only had 10 minutes. And I even moved the camera around and then had to go get the vacuum cleaner and put it together because my husband had taken it apart because he had just been using the handheld portion. So I had to unplug it and then put the pieces together that I needed and then get back in here, and I did get all of that done. So when you're thinking I've only got 10 minutes, you can certainly make things better in 10 minutes. So just say to yourself, 10 minutes better. What can I get done in 10 minutes? And then go for it. Let me invite you to sign up for my newsletter, the Homemakers Journal, which is chock full of information, tips and tricks, and things that can help you on your homemaking journey. And if you hate to do laundry, sign up for my free Laundry Lab Masterclass. And we're kicking it off with a 10-day in the Laundry Lab challenge starting in April. So I'll put the links in the description box below so that you can sign up for whichever one of those trips your trigger. And for more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, click here.